Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into this video. Okay, guys, I'm at this website called Rapid Workers. So this is the website you're going to use to get paid to like videos. Now it says here, tasks are accomplished fast, projects are low cost, employers are fulfilled, workers are happy and compensated promptly. Now let's look at the services. So let's just look for the workers. So it says here, workers sign up and browse micro jobs, select jobs you like, finish tasks, submit proof, earn money. So it's very, very simple, guys. Now, to get paid, you got to have PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you can go to paypal.com, sign up when it takes a few minutes. Now, let's just look at some of the tasks that they have on here. In this activity box, it shows vote for video on YouTube. And they're going to pay 10 cents for that. It only takes a minute. And they also have follow me on Twitter. So you just follow somebody on Twitter and you get 12 cents. That only takes a minute. So they got all different type of other tasks you can do besides YouTube. Now, what I'm going to do, guys, is log into my account and show you how you can find videos to like and get paid for that. Okay, guys, I'm inside my account. So what you're going to do is go to this little area right here where it says job name and just put in YouTube. So I went ahead and put in YouTube and everything about YouTube came up. So as you can see right here, watch and like, 3 cents. Don't get discouraged, guys, that it's 3 cents. It only takes a second to like a video. So you can do a lot of these and get $2-3 real quick within a minute or two. So you have another one. You can just view a music video and get paid 25 cents. Here's another one. YouTube watch, like, and share. This one's 6 cents. Here's another watch, like, and share. And guys, as you can see, these are international. So it doesn't really matter where you are. You'll be able to come on here and do the task and get paid for liking YouTube videos. Now here's another one. So there's a lot of them on here where you watch, like, and share. And you don't have to watch that long, guys. Now let's just keep scrolling down here and see. Now here's one where you have to comment. So guys, most of them are like, share, comment, watch. Very, very easy, guys. Very easy. And you can make $2 or $3 every couple of minutes doing this. And before you know it, you can have $10, $20, $30. You can cash that out, guys. Now, after you finish your task, I'm going to click right here where it says Tasks I Finished. And it'll show right here. I don't have any tasks that I finished, so it's going to show right here. And now, after your task is finished, you want to withdraw. So go right here where it says withdraw. And as you can see, you got to have a PayPal account, like I said before. Your balance needs to be $8. So that's all, guys. Just $8 you'll be able to cash out very, very quickly. So they say you need to fill the account page before you ask for a payment. So make sure you do that when you sign up. And check this out, guys. The payment will be sent in 24 hours. So in a day or two, guys, have that money in your PayPal account. So guys, that's all I'm going to say about this website. It's a very good website. If you like watching YouTube videos all the time, and you want to get paid to just hit a like button or watch it or share it, this is a site for you. So go ahead and go to rapidworkers.com, sign up, and start getting this money. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, please hit that like button, drop a comment down below, share this video, and hit that subscribe button. And make sure you hit that notification bell because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, I want to do a shout out. And the way I do shout outs is I flash the comment on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. Really appreciate it. Please keep watching my videos and please keep hitting that like button. Help this channel to grow. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks again. I really appreciate it. On that note, get your grind on because that grind is real. Please go watch these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.